Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. A little bit of a different one today. This gentleman had a piece of skin that had just embedded in the ear canal there, so just detached from the canal wall. You'll see how that happens a bit later on in the video because it does make it a little bit clearer. So the first thing we're going to do is grab this this lump of skin that we can see at the entrance here with the Zollner tube. So I'm just trying to get a grip on it just to try and loosen it from the canal, because obviously this skin is going to be attached somewhere in that ear canal. Not the easiest of bits of debris to get hold of with the Zollner tube, because as we're lifting it here, what I can see, it's basically effectively a pocket of skin. So we're looking at the entrance of that pocket here. So all of this around the outside edge is attached to the canal wall underneath and goes right the way down to the eardrum. So what I'm doing is trying to get a grip on this, but obviously with the suction, it only has a limited amount of suction, so we can hold on to it and try and wiggle it. And sometimes you're lucky and the skin will break away from its source and you can take it out in one big chunk. But as what's happening in this side, I can get a grip on there, but not a strong enough grip to remove that. So I'm just going to keep trying to see if we can loosen this away. But you can see the pocket we were talking about. You can see how far down, as we pull that skin across to the right, just how loose that skin is and how far down into the canal it goes. Obviously I prefer to use the suction to get this out if we can. We can use the crocodile forceps, which we're going to have to, I think, to do this. So we go underneath, just try and get a grip on that skin. Try not to touch the canal walls as we do so. But as what happens a lot of the time with skin and crocodile forceps, it just tears. And it's very difficult to get a really good grip on this because the skin is obviously sitting right on top of the canal wall. We really don't want to cause any discomfort for this patient, so it's just a case of being patient and taking little bits away at a time. So we've got quite a large piece there. You can see what I mean by tearing. It's not really pulling out as we would have really liked it to do, as one big pocket of skin. So there we are. So you can see that bit's peeled away. Now you can see the eardrum there, but we can see there's a lot more of this. You can see that loose skin there, like just peeling away. Now this gentleman's having to have his ears cleaned out. He's actually on holiday, so he's coming to see us today. But he's having to have his ear cleaned out back at home every 6 to 8 weeks. So what we're going to try and do here is give him a really thorough clean, so strip away as much of this old dead skin as we possibly can. There we go, you can see it peeling away all the way down the ear canal. See how far down that goes. Now we can see the eardrum. We know it's not attached to the eardrum, so we don't have to be really gentle as we would if that was covering the drum as well. See it pulling away in these long strips. So you see the right hand side now is quite clear, but you can see that whitening of the skin on the left hand side. So we're just going to do the same thing there to the left side. Just make sure we give this gent a really thorough clean out. And going to that peeling all the way down. This happens in some people. There's no specific cause for it. If you've looked at the video where I explain about keratosis obturans, you know the migration of the skin in the ear canal. So this can just get, you could just produce too much basically. It just forms these layers of excess skin. So I'm just trying to do a little bit of tidying up a bit closer to the drum. So we've got the fine end on there now. So yeah, there we go. Just stripping away all the bits of drier skin there. We're never going to get all of this away, and obviously we don't want to strip too many layers away. because it would start causing problems as far as, you know, the skin underneath itself is concerned. We don't want to cause any tears in the skin or any bleeding. So there we are. Also, it got sucked into the machine, so no shot on the against the ruler. You can see all the bits floating around at the bottom of the tank there, so that's just suspended in water. We've just flushed the machine through. Well, thanks again for watching today, guys. If you do like the video, then please like, share, subscribe, and as always, take care.